Hello, welcome to the Insight Labs tutorials. I'm Errol and I help marketers make better decisions using data. In this video, we will talk about how to connect, how to link Google Analytics with Google Search Console. So it's a step-by-step guide. You can follow along. First, let's start discussing a bit what Google Search Console is. So Search Console is a tool by Google that helps monitor website performance in organic search results. So your visitors search something on the web and Google, represents some results and your website might be in those results. So Google Search Console keeps track of all these records and gives you a summary, a coherent way to understand how many queries that you got, how many impressions that you had, and how many clicks that you have received. So it works alongside with Google Analytics 4 to give you deeper insights into your traffic sources. And it looks like this. So you can see how many total clicks that you got, the total impressions, click-through rates, average positions by your keywords. And you can see all the details about the keywords as well. And what is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is another Google platform that helps you track website and app user behavior. It collects data on page views, events, custom events, conversions, traffic sources, and more. And it helps businesses to understand user behavior and improve their website performances. Once you connect your Search Console, you may expect to see these new additions in your Google Analytics views, and you can click on them and do your analysis. So why should you link Google Analytics to Search Console? Why can't you use two different tools? In fact, you can, but completing them, integrating them together gives you complete visibility, so that you can see the SEO performances and website performances in one place, and you can understand traffic quality. You can know which search terms drive visitors, and also you can optimize landing pages, and you can identify click trends, so you can see which pages are getting clicks, and you can save time. And there are a bunch more advantages. So how to link it? First, you just need to go to your account, to the admin settings, and then you can find this Search Console links and Search Console links over here. So you can just click on one of them and continue. In the second step, you can link the verified Search Console property and then continue to the next steps. In the next steps, you can select your web stream and then confirm and submit. You just need to give it like 24 to 48 hours to these synchronization to happen, and then you will see something like that in your library. You can publish your Search Console. By default, it's not published. If it's not published, you cannot see it in here, in this section. You just need to publish it, and then you will start seeing it in this section. Once you do, how it looks. So let's say that you connected your Search Console. You will see those queries and Google Organic Search Traffic reports, so that you will see which queries that you had been listed, and how many impressions that you got, how many clicks that you received, what was the click-through rate for those exact keywords, and what was the average position that your results appeared in the Google results. It's pretty awesome. And in the next page, you will see that which pages are listed in those results. This is the home page, this is the about page, this is two of my case studies, for example, and how many times they have listed, how many clicks that they have received, again, the click-through rate, average search position, etc. The other beauty of it is that you can come over here and then select your events and key events and try to find an associations between those organic views, clicks, and the engagements within the website. So let's say that there's contact form submission event for, it might be a key event for you, so that you can see which pages that, if the organic visitors land, do those events. All right, so the next steps would be, of course, checking those reports weekly. You can try to monitor trends and adjust your SEO strategies, analyze your landing pages. You can try to improve the pages, but high impression, but low clicks. and then you can compare organic and paid traffic. And then you can use GA4 events, as I mentioned a minute ago, for deeper analysis. You can find the link to this presentation in the description below. All right, now let's connect Search Console to Google Analytics. So you just need to go to your admin and then scroll down a bit. You will see these Search Console links or product links here, Search Console links. You can click either of them. So once you click on it, you will see this screen. No links yet. Click link to create one if you haven't created it yet. In here, you can choose your account, this one, and then you can confirm your selection. Click next, you will see web streams, and then you just need to select your web stream. You may have more than one, select the one that you need. And then it will give you this review and submit section. You will review the Search Console and GA4 stream, and then you can click on this submit button. All right, the link is created, perfect. Now, as I mentioned, we can go to the reports, and then in here, we can go to the acquisition report, and we will start seeing Search Console related information here. And yes, we started seeing them. So you see organic search results, impressions, landing page, query listings, all these information are here. And our Search Console information started appearing here. If you do not see it right away, you just need to go to your library first, and then you just need to publish your Search Console. And hover over this little dot and then click publish. As soon as you did it, you will start seeing your Search Console results over here. You can click on them and see the things that I previously showed you in the presentation. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you like it, please like it. If you want to learn more about Looker Studio, Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Search Console, all this stuff, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video.